So I thought it was about time that I give my office a makeover, and I thought I'd give a glimpse of the black and white glamour. So come along with me and I'll show you some of the things that I did. So I cleared everything out. Then it was time for a little painting. I chose the chalk white flat paint. I also installed my chandelier and put some finishing touches on my lampshade. The cabinets are an old TV stand unit that I had for many years. They used to be brown and I decided to paint them black and white. The curtains came from Amazon. The rug came from Wayfair, as well as the chair came from Wayfair. The wall paintings I made myself, as well as the tie backs for the curtains I made myself. I will have additional videos to show you how to do the wall paintings as well as the tie backs. The chandelier came from Amazon as well, and I found this to be a beautiful, cozy setting of a glamorous black and white room for me to do my work in and also relax it sometimes. If you like what you see, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, as well as comment down below. I hope you enjoy this. This is Laverne Fuller with the Fuller Effect. Thank you.